What's up, everyone? It's your boy Cello, and today we are back with a brand new pack opening. So this select blaster box was found at my local Target. This just came out today, so I'm very excited to open it. We get 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. We get a exclusive Flash Prism. We also have some pretty cool cards right there. We can get a Tiger, which would be sweet. I'm not sure about a Zebra, but either way, it would be so cool. I'm not really too familiar with Select. I've opened like 1 blaster box, but I mean, this is going to be awesome. I'm so excited. Yep, ultra rare Tiger Prism, so hopefully we can get one of those today. We have Steph Curry on the cover. Overall, hopefully you all are doing well. Thank you for all the love and support. Yeah, hopefully this pack opening goes well and hopefully we get something good. So let's get into it. So as I mentioned earlier, this blaster box was found at my local Target. So it's pretty brand new. There was a lot gone. There's like 3 left. So hopefully this one can be a good one. Maybe a jersey patch or an autograph. So we get 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. Hopefully we can get something good. I haven't seen anyone open this yet, so if you're watching this, this will be a good first look for you. All right, here we go. First pack. Let's see who we get. We got a Malcolm Brogdon. We have a Dang rookie. We have a Julius Randle. And we have a silver numbers Jaden Ivey. Great start right there. It's a pretty cool card right there. Let's see who we have next. So there are only 4 cards, so limited chance to pull something good. All right, we have an orange in the back. We have Ochai Agbaji, rookie. We have a Jaylen Brown. We have a Ty Washington, so a lot of rookies so far. And we have a Jeremy Sochan. That's a really cool card right there. Not numbered, so these must be the Flash Prisms. Oh, this is a Concourse. Concourse Jeremy Sochan. Pretty cool card right there. We'll sleeve that up. Nice card right there. I'm not sure if this is the Flash Prism or not, but it is a Concourse, so can't go wrong with that. Hopefully we can get an autograph. That would be pretty cool. All right, we do have a green. We have Tyrese. We have Shea. Jalen Williams, ooh, and a Paul George Premier level. I'm not sure if that's anything good, but pretty cool card right there. We'll sleeve this up. This is my first time opening Select basketball. So there we go. We have a Concourse and we have a Premier level Paul George. All right, let's see who we got. We have a Jaden Ivey, rookie. We have a DeJounte Murray, Anthony Simmons, and a Stephen Curry Concourse. Pretty cool card right there. I'm not sure if this is rare or not, but we'll definitely look up the prices and see. Pretty cool. Nice Steph Curry. It's always cool to get the big players. All right, let's see who we got. We have Jalen Williams, Marjan, so a lot of rookies. Jamal Murray, and Nikola Jokic, who just won the finals MVP. Nice card right there. Nice. I like it. That's a great looking card. This is a concourse as well. Pretty cool. And our last pack. Hopefully we can get something good. Doesn't look like it. But we do have a Malachi Branham, Donovan Mitchell, Jabari Smith rookie, and a rookie silver, Jake LaRavia. So overall, not bad. Pretty sweet pack opening. Definitely these 4 cards. We got the Jokic, we got the Jeremy Sochan. These were definitely probably like the best 2. We also have a Stephen Curry concourse, which was pretty cool. And we got a Paul George premier level. So we'll see how much it's worth. I mean, hopefully it's a good amount, but I'm a big fan of these select cards. I mean, they are awesome. They're so cool. I think they're all the same, right? All the base should be the same. It's pretty cool. So it looks like concourse is kind of just like the base. Our rookies pretty much are the same. The Jalen Williams is a premier level. But yeah, I mean, that's going to do it for this pack opening. Overall, pretty great box. I don't know if I would buy it because I'm a big fan of the autographs. Some of you may know. But, I mean, pretty good pack opening. So hopefully you all enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thank you for all the love and support. Cello out.